How was your morning? It's good? What did we do?
Went to Riverton Town Days breakfast.
Chuck wagon breakfast.
Just wagon breakfast.
We had fun at the bounce house.
Carver's still there.
And we're just hanging out. And I get to wait to go to work. I get to hang out with you. So, finally off work. Headed back home. 4-day weekend. It's the 4th of July. And I love this time of year. It's definitely awesome. Get to go meet my wife at my house so we can drive over to my parents and watch the epic fireworks show. Get to see my little dude and all my family and stuff. Got my Captain America shirt. Gonna rock it out. And yeah, we'll have a good time tonight. And fireworks are already going off over there. And 4 days at home, so I'm excited.
I just need your Jeep in the background.
The
Oh,
Jeep?
hey, don't even. I say a G, I said the Jeep. No?
There's the host of the event. Whole bunch of cars. Let's party.
Okay, throw it hard. Throw both of them at the same time.
Whoa! Hey! Hey!
Get him!
Oh!
Good job!
Ow!
I got you. I got my dad.
Ow! Oh, I got you!
Yes, did you get him? Say score. Score. Hold on.
For me.
Okay.
I need one for me.
Hold on.
You want to see
Do it.
me do it, Dad?
Do it.
Let me show you.
And Uncle
What?
teaches his nephew bad things.
What?
You try?
See this in my hand? In my hand? See my hand?
Ooh, I don't
Twist
even...
it. Twist it.
Try
See it in my
it.
hand?
Twist it hard. Twist, twist.
Oh! You wanna try?
I'm not gonna can't try this one.
You try this one.
Twist it and
Twist it. Twist it hard. Pinch it between your fingers.
oh! What are we teaching our kids?
I can't believe it.
Who touched me?
Carol.
Shine my eyes. Shine.
Baby
Hey, don't film me. Come on, you're gonna miss him. What color? Red. No way, Jose. White. White.
Huge, Carver.
Gonna miss him.
What one's your favorite, Carver?
Got a light on.
That was blue.
Oh, another loud one.
That was way loud. That was big.
Another loud one. Boom.